cervical cells, mainly we have to see squamous epithelial cells for L-cell, H-cell squamous cell carcinoma. That is also important. So यहाँ पे neutrophils, mucus, these are abundant, and this is also unsatisfactory sample because of neutrophils. Fully it is covered with neutrophils. One cluster can be seen, but that can't be, we can't make out the nuclear features in that. This is the satisfactory sample. You have this good squamous cellularity. This is a liquid based preparation, so there's no overlapping of cells. It is clearly seen. So first हो गया specimen type, then satisfactory और not satisfactory बताना है, फिर general categorization. General categorization में overall we see and we give a impression negative for intraepithelial lesion or malignancy, epithelial cell abnormality present. Okay, so negative for intraepithelial lesion और malignancy में क्या क्या points हैं कि malignancy तो नहीं है, neoplasia नहीं है ना, तो उसमें नॉन न्योप्लास्टिक फाइंडिंग्स हैं. We mention if there is squamous metaplasia, keratotic changes, tubal metaplasia, etc. Then we have reactive cellular changes associated with inflammation. We should not get confused with the reactive cellular changes with malignancy. Okay, then we can see some organisms. Organisms में we can diagnose trichomonas, fungal, candida, shift in flora suggestive of bacterial vaginosis. What do you mean by shift in flora? Normal flora is lactobacilli, but that is not there. उसके जगह bacterial vaginosis, Gardnerella. Okay, so there is shift in flora. Bacterial morphologically consistent with actinomyces. फिर herpes simplex, cytomegalovirus. So these are the things we diagnose. Non-neoplastic. फिर others में, if we have to mention if there is endometrial cells in women greater than 45 years of age. Now coming to epithelial cell abnormality. एक हो गया negative for intraepithelial lesion or malignancy. मतलब epithelial में कुछ नहीं है. Organisms हो सकते हैं, reactive changes है, inflammation है, ये सब है, but epithelial is okay, normal. Then there is epithelial cell abnormality. So this is the interpretation में we'll have to assess this. Squamous cells होते हैं epithelium में, glandular cells. Squamous में ascus, asc-H. Atypical squamous cells of undetermined. These have specified set of criteria. So that is out of your scope. Okay? So you just know ascus, asc-H, L-cell, low-grade squamous intraepithelial lesion, high-grade squamous intraepithelial lesion, squamous cell carcinoma. We can diagnose in pap smear. Okay? Glandular cells में atypical endocervical cells, atypical endometrial cells, atypical glandular cells, NOS. We can't specify whether it is endometrial or endocervical. That time we use the term atypical glandular cells. Okay? Then there is atypical endocervical cell favor neoplastic, atypical glandular cell favor neoplastic. Endocervical adenocarcinoma in situ, फिर frank adenocarcinoma है. So that is endocervical, endometrial, extrauterine, NOS. These are the different kinds of adenocarcinoma we can see, but most of the times it is very difficult to we can say it is adenocarcinoma. But कहाँ से है? Endocervical से, endometrial से, that is possible only in some of the cases. These are the sample reports. So we mention whether specimen is adequate or not, then interpretation. Negative for intraepithelial lesion or malignancy. Okay? This is a slide of Trichomonas vaginalis. Can you see in that lower corner box एक छोटे दो दिख रहे हैं, वो actually these are the organisms, Trichomonas. You can see a pink color कुछ ऐसे flagella types इसमें. Okay? That is Trichomonas. And just above in the B picture उसमें भी एक छोटा सा कुछ दिख रहा है ना, oval shape नीचे की तरफ. ऊपर तो squamous cells है और नीचे जो एक oval shaped ऐसे लंबा सा दिख रहा है, that is Trichomonas. It has a flagella. Flagella, it's very difficult for you to, from the upper pole it is coming up, very thin. Okay, that is Trichomonas. Even an A may, in the center, दो ओवल शेप्ड ओवरलैप कर रहे हैं हल्का सा, टचिंग ईच अदर, दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्राइकोमोनास. ओके, सी दिस इज कैंडिडा. These are all non-neoplastic findings. These are negative. Report क्या जाएगी? Negative for intraepithelial lesion or malignancy and candida, morphologically consistent with candida. Can you see this pink color का जो है hyphae, लंबे लंबे है ना? So those are all candida. Hyphae can be seen in this. This is what I was talking about. This is shift in flora. Lactobacilli लंबे लंबे होते हैं, long, okay, और यहाँ पे you can see these are very tiny, छोटे छोटे dot like है, and they are in the epithelial cells. So that is giving a shag rag appearance. This is called shag rag appearance of epithelial cell, and this is shift in flora suggestive of bacterial vaginosis. So in this picture, these are the various cells in pap smear. अलग अलग cells अलग अलग color लेते हैं to show the maturation. Okay. So coming to this that side, that is your right side. You can see the cells, जो nucleus है, they are large, hyperchromatic, and anisokaryosis है, and there is one elongated सा cell है, देखो नीचे, fiber like, है ना? So this is, and background में जो छोटे छोटे टूटे टूटे cells हैं, जो lobed वाले हैं, वो सारे polymorphs हैं. So this is a slide of squamous cell carcinoma. The fiber cells is classical, ठीक है? And इसके ये जो पिक है, इसमें जो न्यूक्लियस है, they are just having some reactive changes, squamous metaplastic cells कहते हैं इनको. So now understand the difference. A में this is squamous cell, this is normal superficial cells, है ना? B में that's a slide of L cell. L cell में you have coilocytic change. दो pink cells हैं, रेडिश जो है, उसके जस्ट ऊपर में एक सेल दिख रहा है ब्लू कलर का, जिसमें थोड़ी पेरीन्यूक्लियर क्लियरिंग हो रही है ना? दैट इज कॉइलोसाइटिक चेंज. सो देयर इज पेरीन्यूक्लियर क्लियरिंग एंड द पेरिफेरल कंडेंसेशन ऑफ द साइटोप्लाज्म. सो दैट इज अ स्लाइड फॉर एल सेल. सी इज हाई ग्रेड स्क्वामस intraepithelial lesion. L cell affects intermediate cells. Okay. एंड पैराबेजल और बेजल सेल में जब डिफेक्ट होता है, दैट इज एच सेल. सो दिस इज एच सेल, ठीक है? यू कैन सी न्यूक्लियर एनलार्जमेंट, हाइपरक्रोमेशिया, ओपनड अप क्रोमैटिन. ओके, एंड इवन डी में भी कैन यू सी न्यूक्लियस कितने बड़े बड़े हो गए हैं, साइटोप्लाज्म कितना कम है, एनसी रेशियो कितना बढ़ गया है ना? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इरेगुलर है, इट इज नॉट क्लियर round. This is again a picture of L cell. Can you see this perinuclear clearing? This 2, 1, 2, 3 cells. These are all L cell, H cell. H cell. L cell में you see coilocytic change, and it affects when there is a defect in intermediate cells. And H cell में you see these cells are parabasal to basal cells, round cells हैं, ये bluish है ना? तो these are all parabasal to basal cells, and इसमें there is no coilocytic change, and the nuclear features are more bizarre in H cell, high grade. This is a slide of squamous cell carcinoma, and this is a pap stain. अब देखो अलग अलग सेल्स अलग अलग कलर ले रहे हैं डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मैच्योरेशन, ठीक है? सो दिस इज वन फाइबर सेल कैन बी सीन हियर लॉन्ग, एंड you can see nuclear hyperplasia, different size and shape of the cells. So cervical cancer screening is important. What is the age to begin screening? Is age 21. Okay. Younger than age 21 should not be screened. 21 to 29 years में every 3 years they should go for cytology alone. 30 to 65 years में 3 years with every 3 years with cytology alone, or every 5 years if साइटोलॉजी के साथ HPV टेस्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं, है ना. सर्वाइकल कैंसर, वाई सर्वाइकल कैंसर इज कॉल्ड, व्हाट इज द कॉजेटिव? HPV, ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस. ठीक है. 16-18. Discontinuation of screening is age 65 years if adequate prior screening is done and there is no history of SIN2 or higher. ठीक है. So this is why we are doing pap smear, pap test. It is screening plus if the patient is coming with some complications or complaints. Okay. So what are the stain used? Romanowski type stain. Smear तो बन गया, slide बन गया. अब ये जो हमने slide दे, we have already seen the slides. How will we see if we don't stain them, right? So Romanowski type stain and pap stains and H&E. Slide बना के, we can either air dry the slide or we can wet fix it. So pap stain और H&E stains are wet fixed. दोनों के अपने advantages हैं over the other. So pap stain and H&E stains are immersed in a fixative without allowing to dry. Slide smear बना and immediately a Copeland jar होता है. So we put that slide inside that. Fixative used is either equal parts of ether and 95% of ethanol or 95% of ethanol alone, 100% of methanol or 85% of isopropyl alcohol. ठीक है. Fixation time is 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. And the smears are, you have made a pap smear in the clinic and then you are sending it to lab. It has to be sent in the Copeland jar जिसमें fixative है. ठीक है. Romanowski stains कौन कौन से होते हैं? लिशमैन, जिम्सा, MGG, ये सारे रोमनॉस्की होते हैं. उसमें एयर ड्राई करना पड़ता है. स्मियर्स को हम कॉपलिन जार में फिक्सेटिव में नहीं डालते हैं, हम बस उसको बाहर छोड़ देते हैं ड्राई होने के लिए. So what are the advantages of one over the other? Air dried is mainly याद रखना, जो एयर ड्राइड स्टेन होता है MGG, लिशमैन, एनीथिंग, उसमें साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्टेनिंग इज better. Cytoplasm is more clearly visible, मोटा मोटा. ठीक है. And wet fixed pap में क्या होता है? उसमें pap staining में we see nuclear features better. ठीक है. Cytoplasm is air dried and nucleus is wet fixed. So nuclear details is better, excellently demonstrated in wet fixed. Nucleoli is well demonstrated in wet fixed. Cytoplasm is well demonstrated in air dried. Okay. अगर कोई नेक्रोटिक टिश्यू है, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा नेक्रोसिस है स्मियर में, तो फिर वेट फिक्स्ड इज बेटर स्मियर. ठीक है. आर्टिफैक्ट्स आर कॉमन इन एयर ड्राइड स्मियर. ओके. सो सेम थिंग्स, इट्स मोर डिटेल्ड. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू में कभी कभी हमें म्यूसिन दिखता है, एडिनोकार्सिनोमा में, म्यूसिनस एडिनोकार्सिनोमा में. एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू साइटोप्लाज्म एंड बैकग्राउंड स्टेनिंग. बैकग्राउंड में थायराइड में क्या दिख सकता है? कोलॉइड. सो ऑल दीज आर मोर अच्छे से, ज़्यादा अच्छे से MGG या एयर ड्राइड में वी सी. ओके. सेक्रेटरी ग्रैन्यूल्स, एनी साइटोप्लाज्मिक ग्रैन्यूल्स, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू साइटोप्लाज्म, वैक्यूल्स, सब कुछ MGG, एयर ड्राइड. ओके. पैप में न्यूक्लियोलाई, न्यूक्लियोक्रोमैटिन, न्यूक्लियर ग्रूव्स, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू न्यूक्लियस. ओके. लिम्फॉइड टिश्यू में भी वही साइटोप्लाज्मिक बेसोफिलिया, लिम्फॉइड ग्लोब्यूल्स. एंड अगेन इन पैप, न्यूक्लियर आउटलाइन, न्यूक्लियर क्रोमैटिन पैटर्न, न्यूक्लियोलाई. मेसेनकाइमल एलिमेंट्स, द स्ट्रोमल एलिमेंट्स, chondromyxoid stroma in salivary pleomorphic adenoma. I showed you a picture last time. So that is MGG. You won't see that clearly in PAP or H&E. ठीक है. So similar thing goes with neuroendocrine tissues and inflammatory tissues. In neuroendocrine tissues, speckled nuclear chromatin is characteristic, which is seen in PAP. This is already, I don't know, I'm sure you have not listened to this. I have put up the slides because it has been discussed in practical class. नहीं तो ये मेरे slide का part नहीं था बिल्कुल भी. But I'll just give you a brief idea, ठीक है? But this is the last part. Okay? PAP stain, we have already just listened to all the classes in practicals, okay? Otherwise, things, I will repeat the things. So, polychromatic stain है, PAP stain is polychromatic. Okay, what do you mean by polychromasia? Huh? Multiple dyes are used and it differentially stains the various cells. What are the cells? Superficial, intermediate, parabasal and basal. ठीक है, अलग अलग colors होते हैं. So it is mainly a staining technique used to differentiate the cells in the smear preparation. Okay. And it is most commonly used stain for cervical cancer screening. George Papanicolaou has devised the technique. Principle क्या है? The stain uses both acid and basic dye. Acid, just remember, basic dye stains acidic components and acidic dye stains basic component. ठीक है? 5 dyes are used. Nuclear stain के लिए nuclear stain होता है hematoxylin से anywhere. ठीक है? Even HNE में hematoxylin and eosin में क्या होता है? Nucleus is stained by hematoxylin and cytoplasm is stained by eosin. So PAP में भी nuclear stain is hematoxylin. OG6 is orange G, which is used to stain keratin, squamous superficial cells, which gives orangeophilia. Eosin azure is it comprises of 3 dyes: eosin Y, light green, SF yellowish, Bismarck brown Y. Okay. Objectives: define the cell nuclear details, wet fixed, stain the cytoplasm and makes it transparent for visualization. कैसा दिखता है? पैप में अलग अलग कलर्स होते हैं. न्यूक्लियाई ब्लू कलर लेता है बिकॉज ऑफ हेमेटॉक्सिलिन. एरिथ्रोसाइट्स ऑरेंज रेड टू डार्क पिंक, केराटिन orange red. Superficial cells are pinkish. Every slide you have seen superficial cell is pinkish. Intermediate and parabasal cell का क्या कलर देखा है? Blue green. Candida stained red. I showed you the fungal hyphae that was red in color. Trichomonas was grey green. What are the applications? कहाँ other than cervical cancer, where can we do this PAP stain? Myeloma cancer cells of the liver, thyroid cancer, any epithelial carcinomas, benign tumors के examination के लिए Candida, Chlamydia, Trachomatis. And what are the limitations? This is the last slide. Take a deep breath. Only a screening test that must be followed up with more specialized diagnostic test, and it has low sensitivity with limited accuracy. Because it is just a screening test, we have to use a more specialized diagnostic test later on. Depending upon the report, the clinician will actually ask for more tests, and it has a low sensitivity.